Welcome to the Golden Century Technology Department. And in this video today, we will be talking about how to build a monster custom computer. What do you need to make a monster custom computer? We will all talk about this in this video. So yes, to start off, we need some of the main important components that builds up a computer. Number one, we need a motherboard. Without the motherboard, you cannot connect anything, any components that starts off the PC. So it's very important to choose the right type of motherboard for the right kind of usage you're gonna have. After you have decided your motherboard, the second most important thing that is important to decide is the CPU, the processor. What processor would you prefer to use depending on the type of work again you're going to be doing? And the processors and the motherboards need to be matching because they have different sets of pins on them, so you need to know which socket you are after. So yeah, after you have decided your CPU and the motherboard, which is one of the main key components of a custom PC or a normal PC, the next thing you have to decide is a graphic card, and that is completely again down to what kind of work you will be doing in your computer. So yeah, after you have selected your best option for the graphic card, you move on to RAM. RAM is very important. RAM is the thing that will keep your system running with so many applications at one time. So that's how you have to choose your RAM. Once you have your RAM, CPU, motherboard, all of them established and you know which one you're after, then the next comes is the storage. You need to know what kind of data you're going to be storing and saving on your system. If it's completely gaming and 4K footage or 8K footage, then you definitely need a large amount of storage. And especially if you're a content developer or a video editor and you have a lot of content to edit on your system, then you need internal storage more than external storage. So yes everyone, back to where we were. After choosing the RAM, the CPU, the processor, which is the CPU, the motherboard, the graphics card, the next important thing, it's the cooling system in your computer. That is one of the most important things. You need to make sure you get it right, because you don't want to burn your chip, you don't want to burn your processor. And if you do that, then it's just going to cost you a lot of money of replacing all of that components and other things, and you might even damage the motherboard. So yeah, the final main component, which I leave it at the end because I want to decide that one last at the end, because I prefer choosing that one at the end, and I'm going to reveal what am I talking about right now. That bit is called the case. The case for me is like yourself. How do you want to look from outside is your clothes. How do you want to look from outside? Let alone your inside, you can have something very powerful or very weak or very fast or very slow. That's a different thing. But your appearance, the way you look, it's very important for me. So yeah, on that basis, these are the very most important things you need to decide before choosing your custom built computer. There are bits which you can decide later, like the monitor, and then you have keyboards. Depending on if you're an average user, then you don't need those top high-end keyboards. You can buy something simple, standard wireless keyboard would do the job. But if you're a gamer, then highly recommended for you would be a wired keyboard. So on that note, these are the best things you can buy when it comes to building your custom PC. Make sure you get them done properly, but choose your selections properly before deciding to buy. If you have any questions about your build, make sure you ask before you purchase anything or build anything and it all goes wrong later on. So on that note, if you're happy with what we have said today, like this video and share it with somebody else who might be interested in learning more about these products and learning how to build a PC. Or if you have any questions to ask us, there is always the comment box below. You can pop your questions in and we'll be ready to answer for you whenever available. And coming back to our build, so keep an eye on the other videos that are on my channel and are coming soon. We'll be showing you how I will build my own custom PC, and I'm looking forward to that. and it's quite exciting, and I can't wait to put that video online and show you guys how my new build is going to look like. On that note, and subscribe to our channel for more great content and videos and other reviews that we will be creating in the future. Have a great day, everyone. It's a very good goodbye from Golden Century Productions.